Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem known as not programmed in LG televisions. You might have tried to reset your TV to its factory settings, but the problem is still there. So the first thing we are going to check is behind the TV. We are going to check if the antenna is actually connected to the television. In my case, I just need to connect this antenna to the television. Now, let me turn the TV back around so that we can scan for channels. The other place I must suggest you check is behind the wall into your antenna port. Now, make sure that your cable from your TV is connected into the antenna port in your wall. Now I am working with a digital television. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you the same process on a smart LG television. Now that the antenna is connected, there are two ways to get into the program tuning settings. The first is that you can try to change the channel using the program up or down buttons, and it will take you directly to the auto tuning site. The other method is by going to settings, then setup, then auto tuning. And you're going to go to next. I will select digital only tuning. As you can see, that method worked. So what about if this method did not work? What else might be wrong? Well, let us go to the smart TV so that I can explain further. Now we are into the smart TV, and this is the exact same cable that was connected to the television before. And let us continue with the diagnosis. This is an LG smart television and we have the same exact problem, the not programmed problem. Now, like I said before, the antenna connected to this television is exactly the same antenna that we used before on the smaller digital television. And now I will try to scan for channels. From not programmed, I can use the longer method of going to settings, then going down up to advanced and select OK. Then from here I'm going to go down to programs and select programs, then program tuning and auto tuning. I'll select digital search again and start. What might the problem be? The antenna is exactly the same, but we have 0 programs found. Now, when you have 0 programs and you are sure that your antenna is okay, come to settings, go down to advanced, then from here we are going to go down to general. From general we are going to select location. Now there are 2 locations over here, the broadcast country and the LG services country. What we need is the broadcast country. Australia is selected on this television and we have seen that it's not working, it's still not programmed. Now from here you can select your country, but my country is not on this list. I live in Kenya, so I'm going to select others over here at the bottom. The 2 dashes mean others. Now this will come up, reset program settings. After you change your country settings, you can scan for your programs using auto tuning. Do you want to continue? Just say yes. We are going to go to programs again. Program tuning, auto tuning, and digital search. And now you can see that this method has worked perfectly. Just click done and continue with your programming. Now that the TV is working, you can continue with your programming. So what if this method did not work for you? Then it's time to go out and check your antenna and your connections outside. Your antenna might have fallen down, but you don't know. It's also a good idea to check your antenna connectors. This connector plugs in behind the television and you can see that it's broken. This is how it's supposed to be. There also might be a problem with the connector at your antenna. For example, take a look at this connector over here. There might also be a loose connection in the splitter that's feeding you and your neighbors to the same antenna. I have an article about digital TV aerial installation in the video description below that I wrote in 2014. You can check it out and read it, but you can always hire a good technician to install your antenna for you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.